Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shajil Khan, and today we discuss a new topic: how to use authorization and scheme security on Apex pages uh, for the hide show security purpose, hide show functionality, using server-side condition. Otherwise, use authorization and scheme security. How to use? So first of all, we create a page, simple page, demo, blank page, and I have create a region demo, and add two button for the demo purpose. First button is submit, and now second button is just like approve. Okay, copy, drag in the copy area, and okay, and add to the pod functionality for this. Okay, now we have a condition add. Let's example we add create another region. Region may create a region just like approval screen, and just like submit screen. Okay, and add the this button and drag into approve. So we have a two region and two create button just like screen, submit screen, and approval screen. Now we have first of all we have we get the EMP code, and just like access type. Last we discussed about access type table. Look at the this is my access type table. We had I have added two access type admin and developer. Okay, and we already assigned just like Shardil Khan is the access type admin, and Shayan is access type is developer. Okay, so we had a condition. We get the EMP code just like employee ID, and the access type in the session state. Get two values, EMP code and access type in the session state. So go to the shared component application item and create a two application item. Just like first get EMP code. Okay, and now create it, and second one is get access type. Okay, so we have a two created get EMP code and get access type application item. Okay, now go to the login page and create a process area. Okay, before the clear page cache. Otherwise, when you use the any process after the clear page cache, so is not working in the page, because just like after the this process, so yes, just clear the page. Okay, now add this get value, and now select EMP code into copy, and now paste, and should be add colon from my table db underscore users, where emp code is equal username. When user input for the emp code in a username page item, so get into the this value. Okay, now compile and copy this, paste this, and go to the object browser table. Okay, and go to the access db user access table. We already created the past previous video. We create this master table db access for define the access type. So just like this is my table, copy this table and paste this area and get the access type. So copy this access type column and paste and get into get access type. Okay, where emp code, like just like when user input the username. Okay, now join this query with db users. Call the aliases for the table access and db. Now ac2 status access underscore id is equal db dot access underscore id and exdb dot emp underscore code is equal username. Okay, and go to the, and this is your access id, copy, paste, paste. Okay, save. I have added two tables joining, not simply joining on the behalf of access id. This is master table access id and this foreign key access id. Okay, so join with db users for the getting the access type. Now run again, and when user run abc123, this is my password, and save, go to the session state and look at the get emp code 1001 and get access type like admin for this. Okay, now we add a authorization scheme for v requirement is when when admin login, so show the approval region, and when Cheyenne as a developer login, so show the submit screen. Okay, so go to the application item, sorry, go to the shared component area and authorization scheme. Okay, and create the region rights. Okay, and schema type is ps equal function return boolean. Now we add a condition if get emp code, sorry, we simply add the access type. If get access type is equal admin return true as return false, admin just like admin, okay, access, and change to the administration access rights for admin, okay. And the message no rights, just simple, and validate authorization one per session. Create, okay, region rights, okay, add the then, sorry, and my mistake, and if for complete the if else condition, okay. So if get access type is equal to admin, then return true as return false. So copy this, okay, for admin, region rights for admin, region rights, create successfully, and add region rights for developer, okay, and scroll down and paste the code and change the developer. I'm for this example use a get access type. You change it to the EMP code and another column for use this the condition purpose. Okay, so I'm using access type for the guidance. So create successfully and go to the and add the PS equal type and paste again and developer no rights. Look at we create two authorization scheme, region rights for admin, region rights for developer. Now we use this authorization scheme on the page. So go to the page, demo page, and Go to the submit screen and scroll down and go to the security area and add the authorization scheme. Submit screen rights for developer. Okay, and approval screen rights for the admin. Now save. With the benefit of authorization scheme, when just first time you input set the authorization scheme and use it into the multiple pages. Okay, and now when we refresh, now run again, and go to the demo and look at approval screen for the, and go to the session state and check the your get access type admin. So we authorization scheme add in the approval screen. Okay, go to the this admin, so approval screen, and back to the Cheyenne user 1002 and ABC 123456, and go to the demo, look at the submit screen, not show the approval screen for this area. So we use a successfully authorization scheme used into the page, or on the just a simple example, if else condition add into the authorization scheme. You change it to the column application item, add to the any condition like into the authorization scheme and use into the page. So thank you for watching video. I hope you clearly the authorization scheme into use the page. Thank you.